Managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to miss out on delicious and healthy drinks. In today's video, I'll share the 5 best drinks that help control blood sugar while keeping you hydrated, energized, and feeling great. And stick around till the end. I'll also share a simple DIY diabetes-friendly drink you can make at home. Number 5 will surprise you. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most essential drink, water. It may sound simple, but drinking enough water is one of the best things you can do for diabetes. Helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar, prevents dehydration, which can spike blood sugar levels, supports overall metabolism and digestion. If plain water feels boring, try infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas are packed with benefits for people with diabetes. Unlike sugary drinks, they won't spike your blood sugar but instead provide powerful antioxidants. Green tea reduces inflammation and may improve insulin sensitivity. Chamomile tea helps lower blood sugar and promotes better sleep. Cinnamon tea boosts insulin function and may help lower fasting blood sugar levels. Brew your tea fresh and avoid adding sugar. If you need sweetness, try stevia or a dash of cinnamon. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. It works by improving insulin function and slowing down digestion, preventing sudden glucose surges. Helps lower post-meal blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, supports gut health and digestion. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. But remember, don't drink it straight. It's too acidic and can harm your teeth. Always dilute it with water. If you love milk but want a diabetes-friendly option, consider plant-based milk. Regular dairy milk contains lactose, a natural sugar that can raise blood sugar. Instead, go for these options. Unsweetened almond milk, low in carbs and packed with vitamin E. Unsweetened soy milk, a great source of protein without the sugar. Coconut milk in moderation, adds creaminess but with healthy fats. Always check the label and choose unsweetened versions, as some brands add sugar. Smoothies can be either a healthy choice or a sugar bomb. It all depends on the ingredients. Here's how to make a diabetes-friendly smoothie. Use low glycemic fruits like berries, avocado, or green apples. Add protein like Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nuts to prevent sugar spikes. Include fiber like chia seeds, flax seeds, or spinach for better digestion. Avoid adding bananas, mangoes, or fruit juices. They can cause blood sugar spikes. Blend 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a handful of spinach for a perfect diabetes-friendly smoothie. As promised, here's a simple DIY drink you can make at home. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. How to prepare: soak the chia seeds in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Add cinnamon and lemon juice. Stir well and drink. This drink helps with hydration, fiber intake, and blood sugar control all in one. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. These drinks are not only delicious but also diabetes friendly. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. See you in the next video.